The latest release of Adobe Stock features exclusive partnership content, millions of new video assets, and quick ways to find the perfect asset for your project. It's easier than ever to find exactly what you're looking for. With search powered by Adobe Sensei, you can upload an image and search for similar content, color, or composition. Create professional-looking videos with motion graphics templates in Premiere Rush CC. Our all-new, all-in-one video creation app is integrated with Adobe Stock, so you can easily access titles, transitions, animated graphics, and more. Turn numbers into stories with templates for animated infographics inside Premiere Pro. Drag and drop data into motion graphics templates to add dynamic visuals to your video projects. Changes are updated automatically in the project. Accent your presentations, web pages, and other design projects with movement. Adding video loops from Adobe Stock is an easy way to make your projects more engaging. Enjoy access to exclusive content from new partners like GoPro. Find the latest and greatest in aerial shots, time-lapse, and exciting action footage. Check out all this and more in our new release of Adobe Stock.